Then start with shadow box, easy. Shadow box, you get mirror. You look at the mirror like your own. You move with like what you do in sparring. Okay? You move, relax, grab. Don't think just attack. No, sometimes you think you can block, up, in, up to you, in, at a walk, move. Don't look to the floor, yeah? Look in front, like if you have mirror, it's better. You can see like your own opponent. Up. Maybe 5 minutes of shadow box is more than enough to warm your body up. And you can use this chance to see in the mirror for your own body posture. Correct, not correct. Sometimes you can see also if your stance and posture and movement is good or